All right, I got something to say. Yesterday, it killed me having my truck that dirty in the video, but I didn't wash it so you guys could actually see what rubbed and didn't rub. Obviously, there was no signs of rubbing, but today I wanted to show you something that seems to be getting mixed reviews. The factory rock sliders on the new anniversary wagon. I'll show you me using them. Kind of give it one of these numbers, stuff like that. And right in the truck I go. Pretty easy. Hop out. I use them surprisingly frequently. They kind of save me in like dirt mounds, snow mounds, anything that would rub up against the body. Big sticks that I drive over definitely would have smacked the truck. And I actually got hit. A lady was probably doing like 25, slid into the side of my truck and bounced probably 10 feet down the road. This is all that is left of her car. It was actually an SUV. Saved my cab. Totally saved my truck. You can see it's pretty tight against that pinch weld there. So in the event that you actually come down on it, I think it'll take a beating. I really do. Not the thickest metal, but 95% of us, this is perfect.